You liking
Dude,
it?
I love it. The best butter chicken in the world.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another incredibly rainy day here in Miami Beach. Unfortunately, the rainy season is upon us, but we're not gonna hide inside. We came out here today to cook some delicious Indian butter chicken, and these two guys are gonna help me. So for those of you that are new to this channel, you haven't met David before. David is our good friend here from Miami, and David actually just got back from a trip through India. Basically convinced us that we have to go to India. And today I want to talk about 5 points while we're preparing this butter chicken, why we want to go to India.
So what's your 5 points?
I guess number one has to be the food, right?
Oh my god, the food, dude. The food is out of this world.
Yep, guys, this is, we're getting like the full India experience too, because it's monsoon in India, right?
Yeah, you can't go there in summer, dude.
So we're gonna have the right humidity for cooking this butter chicken, I guess. There's one thing that I can't do in the apartment, that's getting a little bit of a char on the chicken thighs. So I'm gonna have to go out in this rain to make this happen. I'll get some color on this and then we're gonna go upstairs. Just put it out. So we're making the gravy.
Okay.
Which is basically all the spices. It's gonna be some heavy cream. It's gonna be some butter. It's gonna be amazing. And it just takes maybe half an hour. The hard work is actually the prep work, to marinate the chicken, get the spices together, chop everything up. So
there's Mike putting it on the grill in the rain, making sacrifices for us.
I'm gonna go get him too.
Get that on there.
The boys are at the grill, taking care of the situation while I'm waiting here in the dry area. And I'm already looking forward to see how the butter chicken tastes because it smells amazing.
We're getting a nice char on this chicken. It's going to have a nice little caramelized burnt flavor in the butter chicken. It's going to be so good. And this is actually tenderizing the chicken so much. I'm getting excited.
I know, me too, man. I'm so hungry right now. Okay, wow, man. Alright.
So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start with the gravy. Basically, because it is butter chicken, I'm going to start off with butter. I'm not going to use oil for this dish just because I want the richness of the butter in the gravy. I'm only going to take half of the butter right now. I'm going to warm it up and basically I'm going to saute our fresh ingredients, which are onions, chili, garlic. I'm just going to heat it up in here. I'm going to get it translucent. I'm not going to brown it because I've got all the nice brown charred flavor on the chicken already. A bunch of Indian people are going to be like, no bro, that's not how you do it. We're ready to get our spices in there. Here we have tomato paste, we have chili powder, we have garam masala, we have in here some cinnamon. There's like a ton of spices in there. I'll put them all in the description down below. And it's very similar to the spices that we put into the marinade of the chicken itself. So here you can see we're getting some heat in here already. So now would be the time to get the spices in there. And now as soon as we mix this up, you'll notice it's going to be so fragrant. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it actually smells amazing.
It smells incredible. I think I'm way too hungry.
Yeah.
Now we're just trying to get the spices to release their flavor through the heat. And as soon as we have that, we're going to go in with the chicken. So I get all that chicken in there. Crisped up, burnt little pieces. You want to get them in as well because they are carrying all the flavor. That's where the real flavor's at. Oh my god. All these juices in. Get some rainwater in there.
Yeah, right. Get some acid rain from Miami.
Exactly. I call it the MacArthur blend. We don't want to overcook the chicken. We want to get straight in there with the heavy cream. So this is your creamy flavor right there. Whipping cream makes life better. Oh my god. And you know what else makes life better? Butter.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's the butter chicken right there.
Yeah. We let all the spices dissolve. And basically now we're just doing the final tenderizing process of the chicken. and also to kind of get an emotion going between the fattiness of the butter, the acidity of the spices. Still gonna get a little bit of lemon juice in there, and then just heat it through, and this should be amazing.
You're killing me, dude. And with the naan bread?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Just taking me back to India right now.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells so good.
Does it smell like it smells in India?
Yeah, I mean, the masala, the cardamom, I mean, you have all the spices, at least most of them. In India, almost every dish has like 50 to 500 spices. That's crazy.
What?
That's why it's like, it's not spicy, it's just so many spices. You're like
Yeah.
all over the place. It's
Wow.
crazy.
So, and here you go. Now, this is the second part. One of the second reasons why I want to go to India, or why we want to go to India, is just because it's so diverse. India is so diverse, and it doesn't matter if you're talking about culture, if you're talking about food, if you're talking about spices. There's just such an immense diversity that you have to experience for yourself one time in your life. That's why I want to go there. I think the best way to eat it is just to get like a healthy portion of rice. Then you got your butter chicken, and then you just take your naan and you grab some rice, you grab some butter chicken, and you just get it in there.
Okay. The way I learned is you just go all out.
All right.
Oh my god. Ooh. Maybe I got too much.
I don't think you got enough.
No, I know. You need to get a little more, a little more. But Nelly has to eat, right?
No, Nelly doesn't have to.
Okay. The smell is so amazing.
So I don't know if we got this on camera, but there's like a little surprise in this dish. There are
Yeah.
4 hearty pieces of habanero swimming in that dish around there somewhere. So if you get the habanero, you're gonna have a bad day.
Yeah, habanero is like one of the hottest ghost peppers.
Yeah.
Oh, the garlic naan?
Yeah.
How many are there? Oh my god, it's a lot. So I'll take one.
Yeah.
This is the way they showed me how to do it. Basically, you just grab like enough so you can like
Okay.
go cover it. You cover it. Just go in.
You liking
Dude,
it?
I love it. The best butter chicken in the world.
Okay guys, we're missing one secret ingredient.
Oh, which one?
Okay.
Yeah, the Miami. So this will today's sponsor of this video. Oh my god, get in contact if you want to sponsor this video.
Oh, like that.
Oh wow.
Oh man. So many different tastes at one time.
Yeah.
And then obviously the delicious butter.
Number 3 of the top 5 reasons why we want to travel to India, actually the people. One thing we saw in all of your videos is that people are so friendly, so welcoming, and I get the feeling everybody's trying to help you out with recommendations, showing you new stuff, explaining the food. That's what I love about traveling to places in Asia, when the people are just so welcoming, and I can see it. It's the same way in India.
For having the second largest population on Earth, it's one of the safest. For me especially, I felt super safe.
Yeah.
A lot of people, we feel safe.
What about the driving?
No, the driving's unsafe. You know what? Driving's a little scary actually.
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't drive in India, but while you're in the cars, you feel it. Like,
Yeah. So then number 4 from the top 5 reasons to travel to India for us is just the culture and the history in the country. You got the Taj Mahal, you got all these amazing temples, forts. So that's, and also buildings from the colonial times. I'm totally into that. I'm just so psyched to see all of that. And number 5, nature.
there's a place in the north where everybody told me to go. I forgot the name of the region. It's by Nepal, and they say the slogan is "Heaven on Earth."
Yeah.
Because it's like, you're just like, wow, and this is in the middle of a mountain range. It's crazy.
Yeah.
And they also have tigers. They have the biggest tiger population on Earth. I mean, there's so much in India, and like I did almost 3 weeks, and I scratched the surface.
Yeah.
You know, nothing.
It's so juicy. The chicken is juicy. It's nice and flavorful. There's so many spices in there. Slight touch of acidity cutting through the richness of the butter and the heavy cream. It's so good. I love this dish. I mean, I've had butter chicken many times before, but just making it myself and seeing what actually goes into those dishes. It's so awesome.
So the way they told me to eat butter chicken in India, or any dish when you have bread, is you just go in, grab a big piece, as big as you think your mouth can handle, and you just... Oh man, I'm in love with this dish, man.
Yes. Okay. Alright. That's a big piece. And I'm a big girl. So that's fine. Okay, are you ready, guys? Oh my god. This smells amazing. The smoky flavor of the chicken is amazing. The buttery sauce is to die for. I can't. This is so good. Thank you, Mike.
I congratulate you because this came out amazing.
Thank you so
Tastes
much.
very similar to India. I mean, I close my eyes, eat it, and I'm in India.
I'm so happy.
And this guy and his girlfriend are going to India within the next 2-3 months. They're going straight to Mumbai and then jumping around after that. What are you most excited about India?
Food.
The food, obviously.
Food, no question.
So yeah, we are going to India for the food experience, mostly because we are foodies. If you have any recommendations where to go, or if you're available to show us around a little bit, we would love to meet you in person and just get the local experience. So yeah, see you in India next time. And
Namaste.
Namaste.
Yeah.
Baby, let's go.
And so, once again, there's only one man clever enough to have perpetrated such a dastardly crime. And I thought you were ready to give up.
You